How to remove clock symbol from WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Here, as you can see in the chat, there is a clock symbol. Now, what it basically means is disappearing messages is turned on in the chat. Now, what you can do is open the chat where you want to remove clock symbol. Then click at the top in the group name or the person's name. Scroll down in here, you'll find disappearing messages. Click on disappearing messages and click on off. Make sure the dot isn't off. After you do this, simply go back, and as you can see, the clock symbol has been removed. This is how to remove clock symbol from WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.